Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rock Band 4 on PC. It's important to know that Rock Band 4 was never released directly for computers. The only way to experience this game on your personal computer is by using a console emulator. This method requires a powerful machine and specific software, and your gameplay experience will depend heavily on your computer's capabilities. To get started, you'll need a robust computer. We're talking about a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card to handle the emulation. Next, you'll need to acquire a PlayStation 4 or Xbox One emulator. Don't forget your original Rock Band 4 game, either a physical disc or a digital copy. Finally, compatible instrument controllers are absolutely vital for an authentic gameplay experience. Once you have your emulator, the next step is configuration. Download and install a trusted PlayStation 4 or Xbox One emulator. Take your time to adjust the settings for the best possible performance on your specific computer. Then, install your Rock Band 4 game files directly into the emulator. Finally, carefully map your instrument controllers to the emulator's input settings for seamless gameplay. As you start playing, you might encounter some challenges. Be prepared for potential latency, especially with audio and instrument input. Experiment with the emulator's audio and video settings to minimize these delays. Always ensure your computer's drivers are up to date for optimal performance. If you run into persistent issues, online communities are a fantastic resource for specific troubleshooting guides and helpful tips.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.